Hello everybody, it's GSX-R o'clock. So this week we might even get the bike started, which is what I've been looking forward to for a while. I've been super busy and Bill's going to help me out by rebuilding the carbs. So I'm going to let you watch him put them together now, and I'll see you again soon. So, thanks for that, Bill. The carbs are all rebuilt and ready to go. There's a few jobs we need to do before we can hit that start button. We need to top the bike up with some oil that we got from Mad for Bikes, who sponsor the GSX-R o'clock videos. Once we've topped it up with oil, we'll put the battery on, a moto bat one, again, Thanks to Mad for Bikes for helping us out with that. Then we're going to put the carbs on, and then it's going to be time to hit the start button. So let's start by topping up the oil. We've got the throttle cables on, just got to put the carbs on now, so I've got to try and feed them around and move that out of the way for a minute. Got to feed it all through here, just like that. We've got our new fuel hose on, which we will cut to length once we've got the tank sorted. So we're through where we need to be. Now I've just got to try and put these carbs back in 34-year-old, yeah, 34-year-old carb rubbers. So wish me luck. Right, I might get Bill to hold the bike for us while I try and push these in, so bear with us. That one's in. That one's out again. There we go. So much easier when you've got a second pair of hands sometimes. Now what I need to do is bolt up the clips on the inlet rubbers, and then I think we need some fuel then we could even try and start it. So we'll see in a second. We're ready to see if it will start. So we've got the carbs on, we've got our brand new oil in, we've got our brand new battery on, everything seems to work. I have turned it over and it seems to be okay, so we need some fuel. The auxiliary fuel tank is in the post, so we're going to have Bill hold the funnel and the fuel, and we need to top the carbs up because they'll be completely dry. So I'm going to hold it. So the one thing to do, as we've had the carbs apart, is see if we've had any leaks. So far so good. Now, because these are old flat side mechanical carbs, sometimes known as pumper carbs, I've actually got an accelerator pump. This is why I always got told as a kid, never twist the throttle too much because you'll flood it. So I'm just going to have a look, see if they work. Nothing as yet, but I'm not worrying too much. So should we top that up?
Yeah.
Right. Should we give it a try?
Yeah, I'll give it a try.
Okay. Right. Ignition on. Choke on. Let's hit the starter button. You ready? Good start. Bit of noise. Oil light is out. Cargo. They got that rattle already, haven't they? Want to put your hand over the end for us? Like flat over. It's not too bad for a system that comes apart, is it? It's almost on for. Should have got your little laser tool out. Yeah, if you want. she's out of fuel. So, I'm happy. Started pretty quick, which we're both surprised at. We thought it was going to be a nightmare. It doesn't sound great at the moment, but they have just been apart. They need balancing, they need some fuel and bits and bobs like that. But it started, so I'm really, really happy with that. That was my main worry. I thought, oh, is it ever going to start again? But there we go. So I'm going to call it a day for this week. I think we've had enough excitement, and I really need to get the Bandit on the road as well, so I need to spend some time on that. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you want to catch all of our videos, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, and you won't miss any of our uploads. So until next time, we'll see you later.